Hi everyone. I hope you're all having a good weekend. I ran my second half marathon ever yesterday, so I'm feeling a bit excited and sore and um, happy that I was able to get outside and enjoy the weather. So I hope you all were able to do something like that as well. This week we switch gears and start to focus on specific areas of global health and disease. We will spend time learning about HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis this week. These are two of the big three infectious diseases in the world and cause the most deaths worldwide each year. You will explore more about infectious diseases, the epidemiology of HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis, and how this impacts health on a global scale. In addition to reading Chapter 8 and completing the quiz there, you will also participate in research on assigned infectious diseases. I have included 4 additional links, these 4 right here. These 4, I realized when I ran my mouse over, there were only 3. So 4 additional links in this week's folder to learn more information from experts in the field on infectious diseases. You will use this information from the text, along with outside research to complete the discussion board this week. There is not a specific format for this assignment. You are welcome to prepare PowerPoint slides, essay style, or simply provide a side-by-side comparison. You can enter your answers directly in the discussion board thread. Either way, you should provide information to answer the questions below, and it should include a reference page to show the research that you used to gather this information. So everyone has been assigned these diseases. So go in and find your name. Please do not use one sentence to answer these questions. I expect appropriate responses to allow other readers to gain a better understanding of these infectious diseases. So these are the questions that you'll need to research and provide information on. These need to be answered completely. And I would recommend, as you're going through and gathering this information, having a list out of A through G, and then keep track of your sources. You will need to use APA format. So you've been assigned 2 infectious diseases, and you'll need to do the following for each disease. Really be thorough. So the assignment is 125 points per disease, and then 50 points for your peer responses. When was the disease discovered? How did it impact humanity in the past? What causes the disease? What are the common signs and symptoms? What are the common outcomes of the disease? And for this, look at rate of death, secondary issues, etc. Is there a cure or only treatment for this disease? What are they? How effective are they? What population is most at risk today for this disease and why? Look at specific countries and/or populations within a specific country. And what are the most cost-effective measures to use against the disease? This could be prevention, treatment, or both, depends on the disease. Explain why and what is included in those measures. So this could be vaccinations, medications, mosquito nets. These are all different types of measures in order to use against the disease. So, and then finally, as I've stated, at the end, provide a list of all your citations following the APA format, and then respond to at least 3 of your peers' posts. Choose individuals who covered a disease topic that was different than your own. Please let me know if I've forgotten anybody. If you're not finding your name, I recommend a Control F and search for your name so you'll be able to find it easily. If you have any questions, please let me know. But again, in the past, students have done bulleted information answering each of the questions below, side-by-side comparisons of each disease. You are welcome to attach a PowerPoint or simply write out the differences or write out your answers to the questions and submit those. There is no format that I am specifically looking for, just that all of the questions are answered in depth. For this particular assignment, you do not need to do an intro or a conclusion. If you choose to do an essay style, you can answer the questions directly. Okay, I hope everyone has a great week. Getting into fall, and we're in week 6, so working our way through the semester. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.